Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at this amazing Rolex that we just got into our showcase. This is a Rolex Midsize Oyster Perpetual Datejust. This beautiful ladies' watch is on the President bracelet, so it feels so luxurious and looks like classic Rolex, but a very modern take. It's got a beautiful diamond bezel with diamond lugs, so gorgeous, and it's got this amazing marble dial. This is not a dial you're going to see every day. It's so beautiful, it's so unusual, and I think it looks so classy paired with all this yellow gold. I think it's also a very easy dial to read because the marble dial contrasts very nicely with the yellow gold hour markers and hands, and of course it's got the date, which is a very convenient feature to have. This watch has been freshly serviced and is ready to wear and would look beautiful paired with other pieces of gold jewelry or diamond jewelry, or even if you have it, marble jewelry. I think that would be really, really cool. So if you have fallen in love with this amazing watch, or you want to wear a watch that no one else is going to be wearing, you should absolutely check it out at SwissWatchExpo.com.